Moses Kuria umuthi thutha wake gukorwo akiamukira matamu ma wabici yake njeru ni ataririe ati akenya aria maretha utungata wabici-ini itiganiite cia thirikali ni maricungagirwo gwitio ndoco niguo gukorwo makiamukira mautungata wabici-ini icio. Kuria ni ataririe ati ni ari na muoroto wa gutigira ni makiagirithia sekta itiganiite na makiria hari utungata wa muingi ari hamwe na KG na ruhonge rwa utungata wa mbeũ NYS. Ataririe ni muingi.Maina wa mucwe.
Moses Kuria thutha wa kuhiukia wigiririki kuma kuri aicuti ma gutabania mihang'o ya Minista ministry-ini ya uruti wa wira wa muingi thutha wa mogaruruku maria mekikire tariki 4 mweri-ini uyu ndundu-ini ya maminista erire akenya riu ni maririhagira motungata maria mamukagira kuma ceceni-ini cia motungata guku bururi-ini.
We are going to introduce fee for service, even for government services, for private sector services, to support our national e-commerce, because Huduma Center for national e-commerce initiatives.
Itanya-ini riake ria kuruta wira mukinyaniru ministry-ini ino njeru iranire kunyitanira na honge itiganiite cia thirikali kwa muhiano ari ni ruhonge rwa gibururi rwa mbeũ njĩthĩ rwa NYS iria atanyite niyo ikwarahura sekta ya urimi ya guthondeka indo undu umwe na kunyitirira undũire na kwagĩrithia mĩtugo gatagatĩ ka mbeũ njĩthĩ.
We are going to transform radically the National Youth Service, and I can that you need to think twice. Gone are the days now when National Youth Service was for people who don't have anything else to do in life. We want to use the National Youth Service as a tool of hope, as a tool for intervention in various sectors in this country, so that we can be able to move forward and move our country forward. You all know the big problem we have in this country of unemployment. It is a national disaster. It is a the same way again and again and expect different results.
Minista uyu mweru wa uruti wa wira wa muingi niranire guthie na mbere na kunyitanira na thukuru wa thirikali wa Kenya uria ukoragwo withukiirwo wigiririki wa kwendekithia bururi utakionaniria kiega kuhetukira kuruta mathomo kuri mabũrũri mangĩ ma gĩtarũ kĩa Afrika maũndũ-inĩ makonainie na thirikali ũndũ ũmwe na honge cia posta na iria itanyitwo gũtua ceceni cia Huduma Center nĩguo kwagĩrithia mũrutĩre wa motungata na njĩra nyandandũku kũrĩ mũingĩ.
Not just being the Kenya School of Government, but also by being the Africa School of Government, so that you can be able to train people from Egypt, from Morocco, from Nigeria, from South Africa, and showcase that the best place you can be able to learn about government is actually in the Kenya School of Government, which I hope some years down the line will truly be transformed into an Africa School of Government.
Kuria ni arutire mwito kuri ndereti ya iguru ya mishara ya aruti a wira a muingi mbere na kuongerera kĩo guku agithinyĩrĩria ni guthie na mbere na kunyitia muthiori ni gukinyaniria tabarĩra cia uthii wa na mbere kwa ihinda rĩrĩa rĩagĩrĩire nĩguo guthie na mbere na kũguna mũingĩ wa bũrũri ũyũ.
Of the performance and delivery management, please get your act in order. I am going to have a microscopic view of all the projects that are being done in this country, both from a horizontal level within our value chain approach, which is the preferred mode of development for the Kenya Kwanza administration, looking at our 5 clusters that we follow at the bottom-up economic transformation agenda.
Hanuni Hamupingi TV Muingi.Maina wa mucwe.
Na ripoti ya muingi.Maina wa mucwe